I'm all set for my 2026 pilgrimage mula po dito sa Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Peñafrancia, Paco, Manila, patungo po sa Diocese ng Borongan, Eastern Samar. Pilgrimage po siya dahil I am going home for the renewal of vows. Anyway, ako po ay pari na taga Diocese ng Borongan, and we do it yearly, renewal of vows. May kalayuan po. I have to drive for more than a day. It would be a fun drive. And kagabi may nagtanong sa akin, Father, mag-isa lang po ba kayo? Sabi ko, no, I'm not. For God is with me. Indeed, in our journey, God is always with us. God is always with us. Mababasa po natin sa Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 28, verse 20. For I am with you always. Anyway, I have to go now. I have to drive. Time check is it's almost 3 in the morning. And yeah, you have a blessed day.
Chasing deadlines, chasing time, lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ngayon po ay nasa ferry po ako, Madagtuan. Mga 2 oras po yun. Ngayon, hindi maano. Pero may mga times na maano po. Naalala ko sa Bible passage ni St. Mark, chapter 4, verse 35. Sabi ni Jesus, let us go to the other side. At nang tumawid po sila, biglang sumama yung panahon. Jesus was asleep. Itong Bible passage na ito, nagpapaliwanag po na tayo bilang Kristiyano, ang buhay po natin na missionary, we have to go to the other side. Sa kahit ng kalagayan, tinatawag po tayo ng Panginoon na magtiwala sa Kanya. So, let's go to the other side and magtiwala po tayo sa Kanya. That's it for today. Have a blessed day. Finally, I'm home. I made it. Mahaba-habang biyahe din, Pero bago po ako makarating dito, alam nyo, it's so timely na nakadaan po ako sa isang parokya. Kapistahan ni San Jose. And so I was able to con-celebrate in the Eucharistic celebration. Isang bagay pa ang matututunan natin kay San Jose. Well, sa kanya matututunan natin na oo, maiinam po ang plano natin, magagandang plano natin. Pero mas mainam po at mas magandang plano ng Panginoon. Si San Jose nagbalak na hiwalayan si Maria. Ngunit sa pamamagitan ng panaginip, through an angel, God communicated to him. God communicated His plan to him. At lahat ng ito ay sinunod po ni San Jose. Ikaw at ako, tayo, merong mga magagandang plano sa buhay, ngunit mas pakinggan po sana natin ang plano ng Diyos. So that's it for today. Have a blessed day po.